Hey everyone, I'm Trevor and today we are at SeaWorld San Diego to ride the all-new Arctic Rescue. I'm gonna give you some POV footage and a review, so let's get going. Arctic Rescue sign on the outside. Woohoo! Even bigger on the outside. Awesome. And this is the entrance area. So today is past member previews. And it doesn't start till 2 o'clock. It's 10 a.m. right now, but I thought I'd come over here and see what everything looks like.
4 hours later.
All right, here we go. And here's a look at the loading bay. Really awesome design they've got up here. Pretty cool. Getting ready to launch the first public coaster without employees on it. Here's a quick look at the ride vehicles. Looks like they've got just a standard lap restraint. The snowmobile type ride vehicles leave the loading bay at a pretty slow speed there. They do a 180 and then they are launched out the back door. It doesn't look like it's too fast of a launch. Okay, well now it's my turn, and got a little bit of space here. Right leg not as much as the left hand standard lap restraint. You don't really need these handles here. They're just more or less for show. When you exit the ride, they will have a ride photo section here. I don't think it's operational today, but they will have one. And then over off to our right out here, they have some lockers where you can store your things. The door you see in front of you is an entrance from the outside to go to the lockers. The lockers are, again, right off here to our right. Lockers are $2 for the first hour, $2 for each additional hour that is in use. And here's a look at that locker section. As I got off the ride, this is the current wait for the Passholder Previews. It's moving pretty slowly as they're only operating one ride vehicle, so I don't know how long this line is, but it looks pretty long. So what did I think of the attraction? Arctic Rescue is the longest, fastest straddle coaster on the West Coast with 40-mile-an-hour speeds and 3 launches. If you've been on Emperor that opened last year, you know that that ride is super smooth. Arctic Rescue is even smoother, if that is possible. Very, very smooth attraction. I enjoyed it. But when you compare it to Manta, which is another coaster with a 48-inch height requirement, just like Arctic Rescue, I still feel like Manta is the better coaster, a little bit more thrills there. But Arctic Rescue doesn't feature any like fear or panic moments. So if you have a hard time on coasters, this is actually going to be a very family-friendly coaster for you to go on, and it is meant to, you know, kind of be an addition to SeaWorld's lesser extreme rides. They've been adding some extreme rides lately, some that people fear. Emperor still doesn't really have that long of a line. I know a lot of people are afraid of it. They look at it and they're scared. You can rest assured that Arctic Rescue is going to be an attraction that you can handle if coasters generally freak you out. I also noticed that a lot of folks were struggling to ride the ride if they were a little bit larger. 2 people had to get taken off the ride, and just the amount that I was waiting there because they couldn't fit in the actual ride itself. So larger guests may not be able to get the lap bar to click, the restraint to click and lock in place. So also keep that in mind as well. As a reminder, Arctic Rescue is open for Passholder Previews May 28th, 29th, and 30th. It will be closed on the 31st and the 1st for various events, and then opens to the public on June 2nd of 2023. Yes, just a couple of days from now, Arctic Rescue will be open widely to the public. If you would like more updates from SeaWorld San Diego, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. I will be back here for the start of the Summer Spectacular, their new event that's going to be landing this summer. And go ahead and let me know down in the comments if you plan to ride Arctic Rescue. I'd love to hear what your thoughts are on the attraction. Thanks for watching, and we will see you again next time.